Australians on income support are taking desperate measures in sweltering heat, according to a report finding many are struggling to keep their homes cool. Almost 2/3 of people on income support are struggling to keep their homes cool in sweltering summer temperatures, a damning report from Australia's peak body for community services has found. The findings, published by the Australian Council of Social Service, ACOSS, on Friday, also reveals the desperate lengths people are taking to cope with the high heat, as Australians feel the hip pocket pain from soaring power bills and inflation. Some spoke of how sick family members had become when they cut back on using their air conditioning or fans. ACOSS 2023 heat survey of 208 people on income support revealed 62% were struggling to keep their homes cool through the summer. About 90% said the heat was making them sick. Another 30% said they had suffered heat stress that was so severe they had to seek medical care. A large portion of the population are resorting to desperate measures to stay cool, according to Director of Heat Advocacy Organisation Sweltering Cities Emma Bacon. According to Ms. Bacon, financial insecurity is largely to blame for people being stuck in hot homes that negatively impact their health. She spoke about the heartbreaking story of one woman who is unable to get cooling in her home or fly screens on her windows to allow for a breeze. On hot days she will go and ride the train for 5 or 6 hours at a time because she doesn't have to spend much money on it. The ACOSS report found the elderly and people living with disability or poor health were the worst affected, the heat stress exacerbating diabetes, high blood pressure, asthma and seizures. The report also found 73% of respondents said they had cut back on using fans or air conditioning, and 66% said they had gone without food or medicine to afford energy bills. ACOSS findings also took comments from respondents, with Liz telling surveyors the cost of energy was adding to an already stressful living situation. Liz revealed her family couldn't go anywhere or afford to pay for things such as cinema tickets, so the family had to exist through the heat. She revealed her husband had been hospitalized because of severe dehydration. With this summer's heat muted by the wet La Nina weather event, Ms. Bacon is concerned about upcoming years. We think at the end of this year, we're going to start to see those extreme temperatures that we've experienced in the past. Climate change is driving high temperatures and that's what we're going to see. Whether it's the coming summer or the one after that, we will have the hottest summer of our lifetime. And it's only going to get worse. ACOSS Chief Executive Cassandra Goldie said people on the lowest incomes were the first to be impacted by hot weather. She said government action, including relief measures in the upcoming federal budget, was needed to protect the health of people on low incomes. Soaring energy bills and woefully inadequate income support levels mean they cannot afford to keep themselves cool, and this is having a serious impact on their physical and mental health. While the federal government has hinted some measures to bring down power prices will be in the budget, a Treasury analysis last month forecast wholesale electricity prices would drop significantly across eastern states. Queensland was predicted to have the largest fall at 44%.